In a world where technology evolves at breakneck speed, the boundaries of human achievement continue to expand. The pioneers of computer science, such as Ada Lovelace, once believed that machines could only execute predefined tasks, devoid of creativity. However, the landscape has shifted dramatically over the past 2 centuries. Today, we find ourselves immersed in a technological renaissance where artificial intelligence, AI, is demonstrating the capacity to create art, poetry, and even paintings. This leads us to ponder a fascinating question. Can machines truly be considered creative? And if so, what practical applications does this newfound creativity hold? Let's find out. Defining creativity. Creativity, much like love, eludes a universal definition, but its recognition is universal. The real question is whether a computer can understand and harness creativity. Recent strides in AI strongly indicate that the answer is a resounding yes. Can an AI be creative? Humans aren't born with the ability to write, draw, or sing. These are skills honed through the acquisition and application of knowledge, a process we call learning. AI, too, can acquire creative abilities through learning from data. Machine learning, the cornerstone of AI, allows machines to swiftly process and analyze vast data sets, a feat human minds could never achieve in a lifetime. If you feed an AI model with a plethora of poems, songs, or art, it can scrutinize the patterns within and create its own artistic expressions. Thus, AI has ventured into domains traditionally reserved for human creativity. AI's impact on art. Consider the art world, where legends like Vincent van Gogh and Piet Mondrian struggled for recognition during their lifetimes. In stark contrast, digital art produced by AI has been sold for astronomical sums in recent years. Take, for example, Sophia, a robot that auctioned a digital artwork for nearly $700,000. Even more astonishing is the AI-generated portrait of Edmund Bellamy, which fetched over $430,000 at an auction. This masterpiece was brought to life using a generative adversarial network, GAN, a technology that employs convolutional neural networks to mimic human creativity. Research suggests that GANs can also be crafted using recurrent neural networks, RNNs. These AI systems become increasingly proficient as they ingest more data, illustrating the evolution of machine learning. GANs, powered by powerful clusters of NVIDIA GPUs, have been instrumental in creating deep fakes, hyper-realistic simulated images and videos of people. These deepfake models continue to evolve and can adapt to new data in real time. Even without copious training data, machine learning techniques like style transfer enable the utilization of pre-existing AI models. Remarkably, companies like Nutella have harnessed AI for design automation on a massive scale. Nutella, using AI, crafted 7 million unique designs for its product packaging, all of which sold out rapidly. Corporations like Renault and Siemens are also embracing AI for product design, signifying the wide-ranging applications of AI in the creative realm. The resounding verdict from the public: AI has become a formidable force in the realm of art. Dolly II, pushing the boundaries of AI art. In recent times, AI has achieved a remarkable breakthrough in image generation, thanks to the emergence of Dolly II, a creation of OpenAI, a prominent research lab. This AI model has the capability to produce images based on textual descriptions, and the results are nothing short of astonishing. Although Dolly II is still in its early stages, it holds immense promise for the future of AI-driven image generation. The original version of Dolly could only craft images at a resolution of 256 by 256 pixels. In its latest iteration, this resolution has surged fourfold to an impressive 1024 by 1024 pixels. When we extrapolate this advancement, it becomes increasingly plausible to envision a future where AI can generate images and even films that are indistinguishable from reality. When coupled with AI-generated audio, this distant future might feature AI-created films that rival Hollywood blockbusters. It's intriguing to note that DALL-E operates in a manner similar to OpenAI's language model, GPT-3, which generates text based on prompts. However, instead of working with text, DALL-E is trained on matrices of pixel-by-pixel RGB values. What was once a dreamy, almost hallucinogenic form of AI art has now evolved into a level of realism that can deceive the human eye. This evolution carries profound implications not only for the art world, but also for industries such as advertising and film. The global art market, valued at over $65 billion, might well see AI art claim a substantial share in the future. What was once believed to be beyond the reach of AI, creative expression, is now in direct competition with human artists, vying for the attention and imagination of the public. AI in music and entertainment. AI's creative prowess extends beyond visual arts and into the realm of music. For instance, the song Break Free, composed using AI-generated notation and instrumentation, garnered viral acclaim with over 2 million views. This AI-composed notation relied on natural language processing, a departure from the computer vision-oriented models mentioned earlier. Hatsune Miku, an AI-powered virtual idol, boasts nearly 200 million views across its viral music videos. Back in 2016, IBM employed AI to create the trailer for Morgan, a low-budget film that grossed nearly $10 million at the box office. AI-penned poetry. Poetry, often considered the highest form of human expression, is notoriously challenging, even for seasoned poets. Remarkably, AI-generated poetry has reached a point where it can deceive humans, as reported by the World Economic Forum. Is it truly creativity? Certainly, AI's capacity for creativity becomes apparent when we consider creativity as just another skill that can be acquired from data. Given the rapid advancements in AI, it is reasonable to anticipate continuous enhancements in AI-driven creativity, potentially reaching a stage where AI-generated art becomes indistinguishable from human-created art across various domains. However, is this a fully satisfying explanation? The notion of artistic creativity is profoundly philosophical and raises fundamental questions related to randomness and comprehension. As previously discussed, current computers struggle to generate truly random data. Some argue that this element of randomness is a core component of human creativity, introducing something novel and unprecedented that no one else has contributed. This is a realm beyond the reach of AI. Similarly, although AI may deceive a human observer into believing that a poem, painting, or other creative work was authored by a fellow human, this doesn't necessarily imply that the resulting creative art holds genuine meaning. AI can produce an infinite array of outputs based on the input data it receives, but it lacks the capacity to comprehend them. It lacks an understanding of why a comparison to a summer's day might be significant, beyond recognizing that this particular sequence of words appeared in a text it analyzed. To an AI, all creative inputs and outputs are essentially data points. Nevertheless, this doesn't inherently diminish the value of AI's creative contributions. Innately creative humans can harness the potential of this data and collaborate with AI to produce meaningful and impactful works. In the ever-evolving landscape of AI in art, one thing is clear. Machines are pushing the boundaries of creativity. They're creating art that captivates, music that resonates, and poetry that stirs emotions. While we debate whether this is true creativity or a remarkable mimicry, we cannot deny its impact on our world. If you found this exploration fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more thought-provoking content on the intriguing world of AI. Thanks for watching.